Hello and welcome to IT Study Point. I am Ram Prakash and today we are now going to start HTML part 4 which we learned in part 3. We will now go a short revision. In revision, the term that we are now going to show some text which we have covered last time. So here we all know about the attributes. So here some HTML attributes we have covered in last class, but there was some incident happened due to which that class was not completely live, and so I have to repeat this again. So see, the attributes, as we know that the attributes which adds some extra decoration of the web pages, and it defines as an additional characteristics or property of the element such as width and height of an image if we are talking about the images. Attributes are always specified in the start tag or opening tag and usually consists of name or value pair like name or value. So here we are seeing an example of attribute which is written inside the body tag. So this is the body tag and which also containing the bg color red, that is name of the attributes, and this is the name of the value. So this is the name or value pairs. So this is another attribute text yellow. So the body is containing right now two attributes. The first attributes is bg color red and text yellow. It means that the background color would be red and the text color would be the yellow. Next we are now going to learn image tag. What is the image tag? Image tag is used to add the image into the website or web pages. Image tag is used to write by writing this tag. As you know that this is not a case sensitive language, so we either we use in a small letter or capital letter, doesn't matter. So now what is the attributes of image? So image attributes are src. Src is source file. Src is source file. And height is for setting height, and width is setting width of an image. So here we are now going to see so how to add this one into the website. Let's see the example. HTML page title IND and HTML. Title. Here the title is and here close. Let's see body attributes. If you want to add, then bg color equal to red and text color is equal to yellow. Now I am going to add this one, all attributes here, image h1. This is the image tag and its attribute. So add br for separation of the line, so that the each and every will come into the separate line. So as we know that this br code known as a new line operator. So every line I am writing this one. After that I will show how it would look like. We are now body will close here and HTML. After running this program I will show you how to add the image into the website. So now put the HR here. After this line, after HR I will write the image tag. So first we have to save this program with the extension HTML, so that the browser will recognize that this is HTML. This is img tag.html. Go to the desktop and online HTML pages, lists. This one is this one. So I am now showing you how to add image. So see, this is img height equal to 100, width equal to 50, and src. This is the most important part, because the source, you have to write the source location from where it is belongs to. So in this I am going to include a documents picture, this one. This one, html.png. So I have to take the complete address from here. Complete address have to take from the properties, because it includes address location. See, here it is written. I have to copy from here and then go to the image tag, put here and write the html dot png. So now see, after saving it, go to the file, save, meanwhile this one, and close this one and refresh this one. See, this is the image here. So I want to increase the height and width. This is height 100, so this is 100 pixels, so put 100% and 50%. So see the effect. Now the image is showing here. So this way we add image into the website. If you don't understand, just pause the videos after the session end, or just go to the desired time frame and you just watch again, so that you can have a better understanding about the image type. Next, we are now going to learn lists. Lists are a group of items or related items where sequence is mandatory to in other way we can say that this is a group of items where we can give a sequence, whether it is written in number alphabets or without numbers or without alphabets. So whenever we are now going to create a list, it is required a group of items, group of things, so that we can give the form of list. So it is saying that a number of related items or names written in a sequence is called list. So list has three types, but some of the book has described it only for two types. So I am just giving you here that list has three types: unordered list, ordered list, and last one is definition list. See, this is unordered list, ordered list, definition list, and this is the example of unordered list. So let me categorize here so that you can understand better. Unordered list, we are now going to unordered list are that kind of list where the sequence of number is not allowed, means number is not required. If we don't need a number, or it is not necessary to write a number as a sequence, so we write that kind of things into unordered list. Unordered lists are often created with the bullet, disk, or circle, means the HTML is allowed here only for three. Right, like here these apple, banana and grapes are written in bullet marks, so this is called disk. So disk is the default display unordered list items. So you can, if you define without defining any type of lists, unordered list type, then it will be printed like this. This is a default one. So as we know that it is The unordered list is created with ul tag, and this tag is a container tag, so that we have to include on tag and off tag, like here. And each and every list item is going to include into the unordered list with the tag name of li. Li means list items. This is an empty tag, so that there is only one tag, that is on tag, and there is no any off tag like ul. Ul is container tag, so that it has off tag, but this is empty tag, so that it does not have ending tag. So attributes of ul tag. The attributes of ul tag is type. Type is an attribute. So here there are three types of attributes of ul tag. Syntax would be like here. So let me include into the program. So from here to here I would like to include into HTML program. So let me write a new HTML program so that you can understand. New HTML HEAD head title list unordered list. Unordered list. Title end, head end, body start, now all we have just studied into this one. So I am just wrote that point here. Okay, all the programs, all the written things I have copied and put it into the HTML under the HTML. So you have now knowledge how to add that one. So I am including h1 we have already studied, and I am going to write a attribute that is called align. It will give the list into the center list close, h1 close, unordered list, so that I will write here br, here also, here also, here also, here also. I am separating all the things into the separate lines, so that I am including br. And see all the things which is now going to display, so you will have to put the space in between, because this is an example how we use this one. So each and every part of tag you have to put the space, so that it will be displayed on the HTML web page, because if you write in proper form, then it will be treated as HTML tag and it will create a problem during the display of the web page. So whenever I implement the ul unordered list, then I will have to type, right, uh, in the proper form, so that the each and every item should be rendered and display on the HTML. This is the description, so that I have to write like this. So after this one means I am putting a separation of horizontal line, and after this I am going to write a list, unordered list without type, means I am just going to write li apple, li banana, li grapes, li apple, banana, grapes, and papaya. This is enough for understand. So I am closing here. Now let's see how it will be displayed. So close the body here and close the HTML. Now save by going the all file and save. So ul.html. So I have to go to the respective location so that I can run that program. So that is online HTML. So ul HTML. See. So this is created by just now. So, and after the separation of the line, let me increase the size of this one. So see, this is, and let me include the body attribute so that it looks attractive a little. So this is the body. Let me write bg color is equal to sky blue blue, and text is equal to yellow. Save and go to refresh. So now see, this is the default one, because this is the default one because I have written here this code, and as we have already written, whenever we are not mentioning any type, means the UL attributes, then the default will come a disk. So this is the disk. This is a disk. Using the disk, it is displaying on the web page. So I am now going to implement one another using type, a square and circle. Disk and circle looks like the same, but the circle is only circle, not filled color. But I am using now a square. So see the differences. We have to only, as we know that, we have to only use the type, so that now HR here, it will separate the things, put this one and put here type. to sqr square. Save and refresh here. Save and refresh here. See. Now see the differences. Now one another, third one, circle. Type equal to circle. Save by going file and save and go to the web page and refresh from here or F5. Now go to the see. This is only circle. So these three types of unordered list is stated into the HTML. So that's all for today's class, and I hope all who have joined the class will understand. If you don't have, means you missed to understand or you have late joined, then you can take the references after the ending of this session so that you can understand better this. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Shubh Ratri.